Hello everyone, this is Michael from Acer BYOC and the aiSage team. Today we're going to show you how to install and run AWS's SageMaker Neo runtime and also an object detection demo on your aiSage. Before we start, make sure your aiSage is connected to a display, a keyboard, and a mouse. For this demonstration purposes, an AWS account would not be necessary. However, you will need one to build, train, and deploy models of your own design. First, turn on the device and bring up the ls command prompt. Run the provided script from the GitHub link below to install SageMaker Neo runtime and its related components. For our demo purposes, we will not be directly connecting to Amazon SageMaker Neo, but it will be needed if you are to build, train, and deploy your own model. Check the links below to learn more about Amazon SageMaker Neo. With the Amazon SageMaker Neo runtime now installed on your aiSage, we're ready to download pre-trained AI models from the previously mentioned link. For the purposes of today, we're going to run a simple app based on MXNet's MobileNet SSD v1 object detection model to demonstrate the local compute capabilities of aiSage. We'll start by first running the command to install the model on our aiSage. We'll continue by following the steps as listed on the GitHub link provided. The entire installation process should take about 10 minutes. Once the model is installed, we can now move on to running the object detection demo. This demo model has been pre-trained to recognize a select amount of objects, such as an apple, a car, and a computer mouse. As you can see from our demo, together with Amazon SageMaker Neo, aiSage is a reliable and versatile edge device that can be easily incorporated into a multitude of different environments. If you're interested in learning how and what aiSage can do for your business, feel free to contact us at aisage@acer.com or visit the aiSage homepage linked below to learn more.